Mixing of milk tea with oxalic acid demonstrate how seemingly harmless and popular drink can turn hazardous when combined with certain chemicals. Reports indicates that a popular milk tea beverage was inadvertently mixed with oxalic acid, a toxic compound often used in cleaning products and rust remover. When ingested, oxalic acid can lead to severe health complications including kidney failure, respiratory distress, and in this unfortunate case, death. The poisoning incident of Rev. Dwight Moore, her new husband who fell gravely ill shortly after their honeymoon. It was later discovered that she had been poisoned with arsenic, a toxic substance that Blanche had been using to kill or seriously harm several people in her life. The arsenic levels in his system were found to be 100 times higher than normal. A shocking discovery that led to a deeper investigation into her past. This revelation of how Blanche had also poisoned her former husband, ex-boyfriend, and even her family members made me reflect on the nature of trust and potential for harm that can arise in the most personal relationship. Toxic substances have been used throughout history both as instrument of murder and various industrial applications. Their potency and often silent, insidious nature of their effect make them particularly dangerous. Arsenic, cyanide, thallium, polonium-210, ethylene glycol, and oleander are all substances that can cause severe harm or death. Arsenic has a long and tragic history as a poison known as the king of poisons. It is a tasteless and odorless substance that accumulates in the body over time, leading to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Cyanide, on the other hand, acts quickly and lethally. It interferes with the body's ability to use oxygen, leading to rapid death. If exposure is severe enough, the symptoms of cyanide poisoning are swift and unmistakable. Thallium, a lesser known but equally deadly poison, acts by attacking the nervous system. Once considered a silent killer, thallium is both tasteless and odorless, making it an ideal weapon for poisoners. Thallium poisoning causes intense symptoms including hair loss, nerve damage, and organ failure. Polonium-210 is one of the most lethal substances on Earth, a radioactive element that emits deadly radiation when ingested or inhaled. It is used in high-profile assassinations such as the poisoning of former Russian spy Alexander Litvinenko, illustrate its terrifying potential for harm. Ethylene glycol, typically found in antifreeze, is one another substance that has been used to poison people through its effect take longer to manifest compared to other toxins. Ethylene glycol poisoning is dangerous because it is cause severe metabolic acidosis, kidney failure, and eventually lead to death left untreated. Finally, oleander, plant whose toxin effect that heart has been used in certain poisoning cases. Though less commonly, the plant contains toxin that, when ingested, interfere with the electrical conductivity of the heart, leading to arrhythmias or organ failure and eventually KGB use of poisoning as a method of assassination during the Cold War remains one of the darkest aspects of the Soviet espionage tactics. This covert action highlights the lengths to which the Soviet state was willing to go to maintain control and suppress opposition both domestically and internationally. The incident of poisoning, such as those Georgy Markov and Alexander Litvinenko, exemplify the brutal method employed by the KGB to eliminate perceived threat often without leaving a trace of their involvement. The use of insulin to omit murder is a chilling example of how accessibly and essentially substances can be exploited for malicious purposes. It serves as a reminder that we must continuously examine the balance between medical and advancement and the potential for its misuse, while also reinforcing the importance of vigilance in both healthcare and law enforcement practices. The poisoning incident involving the producer of Three Body Problem is a harsh reminder of potential dangers and tension that can lie behind high-profile projects. Although it is a complex issue, it shows the need for more protection for individuals within the film and television industry. Events like this offer an opportunity for the industry to reconsider the steps needed to ensure safety and order moving forward.